NASA Langley hasn't held an open house in 5 years, but it's happening this month. I watched Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walk on the moon on a black and white TV in 1969. To me, at 10 years old, it was amazing, but not unreal. I was at an age that made little distinction between real and unreal. And the space program had been building my whole life. So it seemed natural even as it set my mind racing. Besides, my parents had recently landed our family in a home in the suburbs. And I had new worlds to explore and aliens to deal with. The fantastical and the practical mingled every day. Now I live near a place that was integral to the moonshot and is opening its doors for a rare visit from the public. NASA Langley Research Center in Hampton has an open house every 5 years. And this year's event, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., October 21st, coincides with its 100th anniversary. It also comes in the afterglow of Hidden Figures, the hit movie about African-American women mathematicians who worked at NASA Langley early in the space program. The new Katherine G. Johnson Computational Research Facility, named for one of the human computers in the film, will be a hub for the open house. Anne-Marie Trotta, chairman of the event, told me this week she is happy and proud to give folks a look at the center, including its wind tunnels, robots, laboratories and historic aircraft hangar. Selfie spots will be posted so people can create a link to history at places like the Johnson Building and the giant steel globes known as vacuum spheres. The gantry, officially the Landing and Impact Research Facility, is a huge metal frame that was used to train 24 astronauts, including Armstrong and Aldrin, for lunar missions. At the Kids Zone, people can feel what it's like to have a 6-wheeled Mars rover roll over them, and there will be rover races, solar eclipse demonstrations and more. Trotta emphasized that many exhibits will cover work that's setting the next stage in Earth and space flight. For 100 years, the center has been making the fantastic become real. And it's still reaching for the stars.